Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. WordPress released the security update last week that addresses 17 bugs and 7 security issues. We recommend that you update your WordPress core to the latest version available at 5.4.1. BlockLab team joins WPEngine. The three-person team behind a popular plugin to build custom blocks has joined forces with WPEngine that also released a premium add-on for Genesis. The add-on includes a robust set of options that are primarily aimed at helping users build their web pages with custom blocks and designs. Some of the features include a block library with 17 custom blocks such as testimonial and pricing block, and page layouts that offers 22 full layouts for product, portfolio, theme and other pages. And don't forget to register for your free ticket to WordCamp Europe 2020 online. The event will take place over 4 and 6 of June online, and tickets and more information will be released soon on the website in this video's description. We hope to see you there. Have a nice weekend!